Hey everyone, if you've lost files, accidentally deleted important data, or need to recover information from a synchronized device, Syncthing can help restore your files. In this video, I'll show you how to restore files with Syncthing from start to finish in 2026. First, determine where the most recent copy of your files exists. Since Syncthing synchronizes data between devices, another connected device may still contain the files you need to recover. Before making any changes, check all synchronized devices and identify which device has the correct version of the files. If versioning was configured previously, Syncthing may have stored older versions of deleted or modified files in a version archive folder. Browse the versioning directory and look for the files you need to recover, and that's how to restore files with Syncthing in 2026. By using synchronized copies, versioning features, and proper backup practices, you can recover lost data and keep your files protected across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.